Hello everyone, my name is Benhard Asis Sitohang, NPM 221,061. I am from class B. Case study in court, case number 210, bit B 2024, PN Sumedang. Background, on Friday, October 11, 2024, at 1900 WIB, the perpetrator named Muhammad Bayu Tokwan, unit of Yamaha making brand or type motorbike belonging to Muhammad Desfrian Shahnur, which was location at the victim boarding house. Victim Muhammad Desfrian Shahnur. On Friday, October 11, 2024, at around 1856 WIB, someone trying to steal one unit of motorbike belonging to Muhammad Desfrian Shahnur, brand or type Yamaha making, Noble Z2407 GH, year of manufacturers 2015, black color, cylinder capacity 150 cc, Noka MH3UG071080KO 50099. Nosin G3A6A0061502 in the name of STNK Dadang Warman by trying to damage the ignition using a screwdriver in the parking lot of the Kohari boarding house, Jalan Babakan Cilengkrang, RT 001 RW 017, Situ Village, North Sumedang District, Sumedang Regency. Initial investigation. 1. The incident, the perpetrator need money for the wedding and then had the intention to take one motorbike with the hand labor load belonging to Muhammad Desfrian Shahnur, which was parking at the boarding house to carry out his intention. The perpetrator prepared a claim that would be used by the perpetrator to damage the ignition key hole and open the hand lever. Then on Friday, October 11, 2024, at around 1900 WIB, the defendant went to the boarding house parking lot where the motorbike was parking by first opening the ignition key cover using a screwdriver that was hit using a clamp so that the ignition key cover was damaged and successfully opened by the perpetrator. But the perpetrator's struggle was known by witness Muhammad Ridho Fahrizal alias Ido and asked by the perpetrator, "What are you doing?" And the defendant answered, "This is your motorbike. This key does not work." After that, the perpetrator left the motorbike belonging to the victim, Muhammad Desfrian Shahnur, because it was known by witness Muhammad Ridho Fahrizal, and the perpetrator had difficulty turning the ignition key. 2. Key evidence. uh, One unit of Yamaha making brand or type motorcycle, one set of traffic ticket belonging to the victim with registration number G3329459 with the identity of the offender in the name of Muhammad Desfrian Shahnur. One plus minus screwdriver with blue handle. One red gap pliers. One with black yellow striped shirt. Suspect Muhammad Bayu. The background Muhammad Bayu, the The 21 years old suspect, Muhammad Bayu, is an Indonesian citizen and works as a daily laborer. Motive The motive for the crime was that Wahyu didn't initially plan to commit attempted death, but he needed money to get married, so he committed the act. Behavior after the incident. After the incident, the perpetrator left the motorbike belonging to Muhammad Desfrian Syahnur because Muhammad Ridho Fahrizal and the defendant found out that he had difficulty turning the ignition key. Conference 1. Accusation. Muhammad Bayu was arrested and charged with attempted death based on Article 363, paragraph 1 of the Criminal Code in conjunction with Article 53, paragraph 1 of the Criminal Code, sentenced the defendant to prison, therefore, for 1 year. 2. Punishment. On December 30, 30 On December 30, 2024, Muhammad Bayu was sentenced to prison for 9 months and 9 days, 6 month. Element in Article 363, paragraph 1 in conjunction with Article 53, paragraph 1 of the Criminal Code. Point 1. The element of who that was is meant by anyone in this element is a person as a legal subject who is capable of being responsible for his or her action that the person referred to in this case is the defendant Muhammad Bayu alias Umi bin Maman Suherman, who his identity has been stated in the incident and has also been confirmed by the defendant that the defendant, while attending the trial of the case, discerned or to be able to clearly understand everything related to the charge brought against him, and was able to provide information about what he has done so that nothing is found which shows that the defendant is capable of being responsible for his action. Considering that through the panel of judge concludes that this element has been fulfilled. Point 2. The experimental element is taking an item that is partially or the whole thing belong to another person with the intention of unlawfully possessing it and is committed by entering the place of the crime or being able to get to the thing taken by breaking or climbing or by using a fake key, a fake order or fake official clothes. Considering what it's meant by experiment is intention. For this reason, it has been proven that the beginning of the implementation and the non-completion of the implementation was not solely due to his own will. Announcement of decision. Point 1. State that the defendant, Mas Muhammad Bahayu alias Umi bin Maman, the affirmationed Suherman, was legally and convincingly proven guilty committed the crime of attempted death under certain circumstances burdensome, as in the public prosecutor indictment. Point 2. Sentencing the defendant to prison sentence for 1 year. Point 3. Determining the period of arrest and detention that the defendant has served deducted entirely from the sentence imposed. Point 4. Decide that the defendant remains detained. Point 5. Determining evidence in the form of one unit Yamaha brand or type motorcycle. And last, point 6, charge the defendant to pay a certain amount of court costs, 55,000 rupiah. Based on the judge consideration, the element in Article 363, paragraph 1, in conjunction with Article 53, paragraph 1, have been fulfilled. Therefore, the judge looks at these two things: aggravating circumstance, the defendant's action disturbing the community; extenuating circumstance, the defendant behaved follically and didn't complicate matters during the examination during the trial. That because the defendant was sentenced to a crime, he must also be charged with paying the court costs. The trial. Charged Muhammad Bayu was arrested and charged with attempted theft under the Criminal Code Article 363, paragraph 1, in conjunction with Article 53, paragraph 1. He intentionally stole a motorbike belonging to Muhammad Desfrian Syahnur. Defense: the suspect submit a request which essentially state that he regretted his action and asked for a lighter sentence. The prosecutor argued that Wahyu had the motive, opportunity, and means to commit the attended theft. They emphasized evidence and with statements that supported the attended death. Sentencing on December 30, 2024, Muhammad Bayu was found guilty of attempted death and sentenced to 1 year in prison, reduced in full from the sentence imposed, with an order to remain in detention, key issue and legal takeaway. The role of evidence. This case underscores the importance of evidence in a criminal investigation, especially evidence that is the result of an attempted death. Motive and psychological profile. The motive behind the crime was the opportunity to commit the crime. The victim's condition was proven to be physically and mentally healthy and able to be responsible for his action. Legal system and sentencing. The final verdict and sentence against Muhammad Bayu was 1 year in prison minus the time served, become 9 months and 9 days. Conclusion: Muhammad Bayu, the perpetrator of the attempted death of a motorcycle belonging to Muhammad Desfrian Syahnur, which occurred on October 11, 2024 in Sumedang. In the incident, Muhammad Desfrian Syahnur became the victim of motorcycle death. This case illustrates the rampant motorcycle theft in Sumedang City, which has become a concern for the police to improve security and law enforcement. And wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Discussion point: psychological profiling in crime. How can understanding the psychology of individuals involved in violent crime help investigators prevent similar future crime? Answer: individuals with certain personality traits such as impulsiveness, low empathy, and aggressive tendencies are more likely to engage in crime. For example, antisocial personality disorder and make someone less concerned with social norms and more likely to commit criminal acts.